Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Warbirds over Delaware 2025. Folks, it's the last day. Got a tear in my eye but a smile on my face because we have an absolutely gorgeous 1/3 scale Barth Waco. Just fantastic. Very detailed, as you can see, folks. Absolutely fantastic. We'll get some photos of it later on, but sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
You can tell how close the pilot is by watching the shadow. Little camera floating in there. I asked him if he could post a picture of the crack on his Facebook post where he said that the crankshaft was cracked. Sure enough, he did, and that crack was a beauty. That is an engine.
Folks, this has to be one of the most original schemes I've seen for a Waco anywhere. I'm not sure if the builder did it, or the pilot did, I mean, not the pilot, pardon me. We'll find out later. Alright folks, put your goggles on, put your scarf around your neck, because here we go!
Up there with his biplane. I am going to take a wildcat. I am thinking it's a Waco. Could be right. More than likely I'm wrong. Oh, I got it right? No, figure. I'm on a streak here. Got a radio and it's probably a Mogi. Did I get that right? I got that right too. Holy moly, I have I'm having a lot of fun with multi-cylinder engines this morning. All right, for those of you, we do have a catered dinner tonight. We have chicken, ribs, and pulled pork. You can take any two. Beans, pasta salad, potato salad, and coleslaw. And if you haven't already bought your ticket, you can pay $20 cash when you get get online to pick up dinner. In the meantime, Jerry McCallum out there with his beautiful Waco. Normally they're red, but this yellow really stands out. It's a classic airplane, still in production. I believe the factory is out in Michigan somewhere. That's the home of the Yankee Air Museum. Former owners of Yankee Lady B-17 now being shipped to
All right, folks.
Australia.
Folks, and the clouds are gray. The autofocus doesn't really do all that well, so do apologize for this. Gorgeous airplane, folks. Really just a beautiful Waco. Wish you were here to see it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, look at that, folks. Folks, that's Waco butter right there. Waco butter. I mean, you've got a plane that is that gorgeous, with a pilot that flies that well and lands that smooth. I mean, come on now. What else you gonna say? Just gorgeous. Listen to that motor. Wonderful. Look at that. I'm going to zoom in for a moment, folks. Just gorgeous. Prettiest Waco ever. All right, friends. More to come.